I'm Rohit Thomas. I'm from Kerala. I'm a hardware design engineer. And I'm also into a bit of music production and all. So I have a few friends who will send some vocal recordings or something. Yeah, Saturday morning, I'll go to play. We have a small group, we catch up early in the morning, we'll play football and then get back a little late, and then again some music, maybe. Yeah, a lot of reading usually happens in the weekend. Weekdays, it's just because it's a routine thing and you don't have too much time. So that way, appliance sort of helps. You don't mess things up. If I'm cooking on my own, I'll be like, okay, I want something to eat. Yeah, I used to cook different stuff, but not too much variety, because for the fear of messing it up or something, a little bit of experimenting only. And though I like non-veg, I never used to cook non-veg. So after appliance, that became an easier thing. I directly ordered it. I didn't even try it out. So whatever is there, I used to figure out how can I cook this and that. And then I used to experiment a lot. And that was wouldn't come out as well as I would have wanted it. So there was a little bit of issues in that. And of course the forum in the WhatsApp group, and that was very helpful. You would put out your comments on that.